going to practice deleting initial and final syllables off of a 2-syllable word. Your first word is emblem. Say emblem. Now say emblem, but don't say M. Blum. Say mercy. Now say mercy, but don't say C. Myrrh. Say order. Now say order, but don't say or. Der. Say hybrid. Now say hybrid, but don't say brid. High. Say ignore. Now say ignore, but don't say ig. Nor. Say panda. Now say panda, but don't say duh. Pan. Say candle. Now say candle, but don't say can. Dull. Say pardon. Say pardon, but don't say done. Par. Say shoulder. Now say shoulder, but don't say shoal. Der. One more. Say highly. Now say highly, but don't say high. Lee. Very good work. You're getting much faster.